Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Since this is everything that I'm seeing right now, I have already covered my thoughts on Amber Heard in a video a while back. Johnny Depp is suing Amber Heard for defamation because obviously the things she's been coming out with and saying have ruined Johnny Depp's career and reputation. Fact. The cracks are starting to show though, even by simply looking at the body language alone. Johnny Depp has recently testified saying that no matter what the verdict is, his career will never be the same. And this whole situation has altered him as a person. I'm really hoping justice for Johnny is in the horizon, to be honest. Over the last few years, we have seen how manipulative, to put it simply on a plate for yous, a fucking nutter Amber Heard is. This woman is making herself so easily to despise. It's not even funny. I'm here today for you now to highlight some of the clips from this court case because it's really not looking good for Amber right now.
For the record, this is an audio recording. It's quite lengthy, so we intend to play certain portions of it.
Okay. Any objection?
Her face really says it all now. I mean, you hear this audio recording and it's pretty damning. I love how uncomfortable she looks through this and I'm so here for it.
And I watched you lie, and then
I didn't punch you, by the way. I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched.
Don't tell me what it feels like to be punched.
You know, you've been in a lot of fights. You've been around a long time. I know. Yeah.
No, when you have a close
You didn't get punched. You got hit. I'm sorry I hit you like this, but I did not punch you. I did not deck you. I was hitting you. I don't know what the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
How are you tough?
What am I supposed to do? Do this? I'm not sitting here bitching about it, am I? You are. That's the difference between me and you. You're a baby.
Because you started.
You are such a baby. Grow the up,
Because you
Johnny.
started physical fights.
I did start a physical
Yeah,
fight.
you did. So I had to
Because-
get the fuck out of there.
Yes, you did. So you did the right thing, the big thing. You know what? You are admirable.
How is she talking like hitting or starting a physical altercation is fine? And that Johnny is a baby because he can't handle. I'm sorry, but who is playing the victim right now? How fucking funny. She's trying so hard to be the victim and it's a joke. Even the little things like her talking over him, you can definitely tell who wore the trousers in their relationship. It just weren't Johnny, was it? I did not punch you. I was hitting you. You're a baby. I did not hurt you. You're fine. Just wow. Men don't have feelings apparently. No one should be comfortable with this. This is vile.
What was displayed on the audio recordings was very much the tone and the aggression and the attitude and the need for a fight from Ms. Heard. That was, I don't know if that was some need for attention, but that was a sound that I had gotten very used to.
A lot of things have come out that she was on apparently taking prescription drugs and mixing them with alcohol. And this could have helped come to the conclusion why she was quite erratic. Never drink medications is always a bad idea. Not to mention the fact she allegedly threw a glass bottle at Johnny and sliced his finger, which does not surprise me in the slightest. As we already know, she has admitted to throwing pans and vases quite often. But all doesn't get juicy though, because Amber Heard's ex-assistant has spoken out. And it is shocking. To be honest, a lot of this is all shocking. I'm not even going to deny. But someone who worked closely with Amber every day for years, turns out she didn't like Amber so much. I wonder why.
Now, your work for Ms. Heard was it part-time or full-time?
It started as part-time and became full-time.
When did you change from part-time to full-time?
I don't recall.
What were your job duties?
Too many to mention.
Give me your best summary of what your job duties were, please.
Is this relevant? Okay, so let's see. I mean, if you are ready for a really, really long time of me explaining all of the details, that's fine. It's everything you could possibly do to run someone's life, okay? So it is grocery shopping. It is taking care of admin. It is running errands. It is getting the car fixed. It is getting the dogs groomed. It is picking up flowers. It is dealing with the decorator. It is dealing with the housekeeper. It is going on and on and on and on, and it goes on every single day. Arranging travel, dealing with all of the surplus staff around the travel, booking all the greeters, dealing with the changing of travel, okay? Liaising with people that she's working with on films, updating her calendar accordingly, liaising with the people on set every single day to update her calendar to ensure that she knows what scene she's doing each day, what her call time is. Every day it's something different. But it's a lot, a myriad of things that go across the board daily.
You were paid for that work, correct?
Very poorly.
Well, she's pissed. I absolutely love this woman. You can tell she don't want to be there, but I mean, she is smashing this hardcore.
What were you paid? Was it $1,500 a week to start?
Are you kidding?
Is that what?
No, I wish. My God. No, it was not. She paid me $25 an hour to start off with, and she finally agreed after screaming abuse at me that she would pay me $50,000 a year once I went to full time. And this was after me working for well over 10 years as a personal assistant. So it was very insulting to me, but I did it anyway because I had grandfathered in the ability to pick up my son from school and bring him to work with me at 3 o'clock.
Oh my God. She's going in, and I absolutely appreciate her demeanor. Balls are still this one, and I love to see it.
Did Miss Heard ever tell you that Johnny had hit her?
No,
Did she ever tell you that Johnny had pulled her hair or pushed her?
no.
Let me ask it a little bit differently. You never believed Miss Heard that Mr. Depp had mistreated her. Is that correct?
At the time or after? I never believed it. In what context are you talking about? During my employ or afterward?
During your...
No, never. And there was never any damage to the apartment that I witnessed. There was never any aftermath of anything ever that I ever saw.
Now, you, of course, have no personal knowledge one way or the other whether Johnny was abusive to her, correct?
Well, I don't know if that's necessarily true, because if it was true, I would have seen the damage, even if I wasn't physically present in the moment of these alleged arguments.
And what's your basis for that statement?
Well, if someone's being beaten, there's generally physical evidence.
So someone that was on Amber's payroll spewing this, ooh, the burns. Someone that was there pretty much all the time and she never noticed anything. Then Amber's defense claps back. I wouldn't even say it was a clap back, to be honest, because it's quite funny. It kind of got exposed. They claimed that she carried makeup and covered it up at all times, so no one would even notice her injuries or damage to her. Made me laugh, to be honest, how ridiculous it sounds. Because listen to this. Makeup brand accuses Amber Heard's lawyer of lying in court amid Johnny Depp's $100 million defamation case, revealing concealer kit her legal team claims she used to cover bruises from alleged abuse wasn't sold until after they split. I kind of don't appreciate this, though. I'll be honest. This is real for some women that undergo this treatment in life. And Amber Heard is literally mocking it. And her team of cabbages. And it shouldn't be taken lightly, to be honest. Yeah, I laugh how stupid this woman is. But the reality of it is not. It's disgusting. Something really doesn't sit right with me. The fact... This is all alleged, by the way, because, you know, we don't know what happens behind closed doors, even though there's a lot of evidence pointing towards Amber Heard right now that she's lied about a lot of things. If this whole thing is transpired simply because Amber Heard is so far fucking delusional that she's up her own arse and just, you know, she just wants to be the victim and wants to have sympathy all the time. If Amber Heard has made this all up, it's just, if, allegedly, can't see through walls, innit? Something about this makes me feel really sick to my stomach that some people could lie about this happening when it never happened in the first place, you know? But to top this video off, I just want to show you this audio recording between Johnny and Amber, and it's going to make you hurl for reals. Listen to this ace.
You
finger, man. Come on. I had a mineral can, a jar, can of mineral spirits thrown at my nose.
You can please tell people that it was a fair fight and see what the jury and judge think. Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence, and
Yes.
it's a fair fight. And see how many people believe or side with you.
Imagine even saying that. This woman makes me physically sick. Playing the system because she knows that men are less believed than women. Mocking DV against men is disgusting. What kind of animal are you gotta be to say something like this is beyond me? I hope she gets what she deserves. It's nothing but baffling that this woman still has a career. Men can be victims too. Never downplay that. Can't believe she even shut that down. And her using the Me Too movement to further her career makes one to drop kick a bus. It's people like her that contribute to victims not being believed. Not to mention, that she stole her assistant's Me Too story as well. But we've already spoken about this in a previous video and I don't want to go back in time. Maybe I'll do another video on Amber Heard eventually, who knows. But let me know what you think about this down below. Honestly hope Johnny pulls through from this. I pray. It just makes me sad, him sitting in that courtroom like that, looking like a real broken man. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You're doing well. Please take care. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more. In a bit.